Good morning, people. It's your boy Saint. I'm back with an update. So today it's Monday, guys. Time it's about to be 11 p.m. 11 a.m. Sorry, in the morning. So right now it's new London session, and I've been eyeing to take a trade on NZD, but it seems like it's not yet ready. I don't know, but I've been watching it for the past 2 hours or so, and yeah, I'm not getting my confirmations that I need. So right now I'm going to just wait it out and see what happens. But yeah, we do have other pairs lined out, and if they do play according to my analysis, then I'll be able to capitalize on those trades. So right now there's no trade that has been taken on the account. The account is still as you guys can see, I haven't taken any trade on this account. Yeah, but I'll update you guys immediately when I take my first trade. So yeah, guys. So guys, right here I had just taken my trade. I couldn't show you because the market was so volatile, it was moving. So right here I was adjusting my stop loss and putting a stop loss of like 30 pips. As I said, I'm going to risk 1% per trade. And guys, you'll see how I put my take profit. I always put my take profit above my preferred target because the market can just shoot up and I can also capitalize on that thing. On this trade I'm targeting a 1:3, meaning I'm targeting like $150 in return, but I put my take profits to $200 because the market can decide and push all the way to the downside, and I'll be happy if the market closes me at $200 because I would have capitalized on that, guys. And yeah, guys, I'm sorry if the quality is bad, man. So yeah, guys, right now I just taken my first trade on NZD. I just took my first trade on NZD right now, and yeah, I'm risking about $50 for me to make like 150. So basically it's a 1:3, right? Yeah, it's a 1:3. Yeah, so right now the market is just around at break-even.
Fil tendu entre nos cœurs, un pont fragile sous l'orage. Les mots dansent mais se meurent, perdus dans ce grand mirage. Toi là-bas dans ton silence, moi ici je tends la main. Les jours passent en errance, nos âmes cherchent un chemin. On bâtit des murs invisibles, mais l'amour reste indestructible. Unis, séparés, deux âmes qui s'effleurent. Unis, séparés, des éclats de bonheur. Quand la distance nous dévore. L'espoir toujours éclos encore. Des promesses que l'écho ne peut saisir. Ton ombre là me confesse son besoin de réunir. Et si les étoiles pouvaient parler, elles diraient qu'on n'est jamais loin. Même brisé, même éloigné, nos cœurs battent d'un même refrain.
So guys, I'm back with an update, guys. So right now the time is, yeah, it's about to be 1 o'clock in the morning, and right now I'm not supposed to trade. So basically this is just an update. I'm not supposed to trade at this time, but I can see this is the setup that I was looking at yesterday, and it didn't happen. It just happened right now that I got all my confirmations that I needed, and I'm going to break my rule by taking a trade around at this time, but I can't help because everything that I need is there. It's just that the time or the trading session is not yet available for me to trade this pair. So this pair is a UD CAD, and the pair that I had entered earlier on, it's this pair, NZD CAD. Yeah, let me just pull out this thing. So this trade, it was entered around this position, if you guys can see, and decided to push all the way. It hasn't hit my break even. It's still playing around at this level. So right now, let me go take the trade on AUD CAD. I'll screen record for you guys since I don't have two phones. So what ended up happening here, guys, is that I forgot to screen record when I took my trade on AUD CAD. And yeah, I remember I said I was going to screen record me taking AUD CAD, and I completely forgot. So I'm sorry for that, guys. Morning, guys. So today it's Tuesday. Yeah, it's a update. I'm giving you guys an update of what happened since I have been away on the charts for like 5 hours when I went to sleep. So this is the trade that we took yesterday, and it's NZD CAD. NZD CAD, we took sales. Like I said, we had an alert right here that if we hit here, we'd have hit like a 1:1. So we had to put our stops to break even and let the trade run, right? So I got the alert around like a few minutes ago. Yeah, this is the alert right here, and yeah, it triggered, guys. So means that this trade right now is currently a risk-free trade, right? And we did take a loss on AUD CAD. Let me just, so it did take a loss, right? And it looks like it was a week out, but it's fine. I calculated my risk, and yeah, I was comfortable with losing 1% of my account. So here, this trade, I took it around, was it around 1? I took it, it was around 1 o'clock, yes, and this came all the way, and definitely now it's coming back up, but I'm not looking to get a re-entry on this one, so I'll just wait it out and see what happens. So because right now everything has just changed and stuff, so let me just hide this, and yeah, but everything is fine, man. Yeah, so right now we have NZD CAD and we have GBP AUD lining up so good. I've already set my alerts right here, so if it does come back to this imbalance right here, I'm looking to enter my buys going to the upside, and I'm going to calculate my risk, and yeah, this is the trade I'm willing to take. I'm willing to risk about 30 pips per trade. Yeah, so this is how I'm aiming for today's opportunities and stuff. So we also had EuroCAD, but yeah, it's still valid, but it's not yet ready. also on Euro AUD it's still valid, but yet not ready. So the only trade that is ready right now is GBP AUD. And the thing I don't like, it's because of that one trade on AUD CAD. I've already taken 2 trades for the week, and it's a Tuesday. But yeah, man, I don't like to overtrade a lot. But if the market presents opportunities for us to capitalize on, we're definitely going to take trades based on those setups. So right now, we're just waiting for this to come back down, and for this to continue going back all the way to the downside right here, where we'll be looking to take our take profit, right? But on my MT5 I had put my take profit around here on my MT5, and you guys can see the balance of my account is currently 4,948, meaning I've taken a loss of $51.55. So yeah, I'm happy. We'll see how we go, and you guys can see that the only trade that has been recorded, it's AUD CAD. It's the trade that we took it during Sydney session towards New York session. So this is why this is the trade that we lost. I don't usually trade at that time. Yeah, I think that's the only thing that I did wrong, was to trade out of session, and I did pay for it. So right now I'm just waiting for this. Usually I trade these 2 sessions right here, and New York opens in about 4 hours and 48 minutes. So yeah guys, this is just an update of what am I looking for. So hopefully this will hit our take profit, and this will give us our entry. So yeah, I'll give you guys an update, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, we don't know. Let's see though. Guys, right now the time is 25 minutes past 12. It's midnight. So as you guys have seen on the previous clip, I was busy today, so I couldn't record as much, but I did do a screen record like you've seen on the previous clip. So I ended up taking 2 trades on GBP AUD. The reason why I took 2 trades on GBP AUD, risking 2%, it's because if you guys can look, I entered around, my first entry was around at these candlesticks at 2:30 during New York session, New York open. I entered right here, and immediately when I entered, the market decided to push and come and play around this level right here. But I saw this this candlestick right there was forming with a huge wick, to say this market doesn't have any much like potential going to the downside. So I waited, and I saw this bullish engulfing candlestick being created. So I decided to hop on the second trade. The reason why I hopped on the second trade is because on the first trade, the trade that we took on Monday, we were in, like, we were already like risk free, because I had already put my stops to break even on this trade. And I was like, okay, since this trade, the only thing that could happen on this trade is either we're going to hit take profit, or we hit our stop loss, of which we're not gonna lose anything. So right now I have less risk. I was like, okay, let me just put in the second entry, And yeah guys, so I did end up putting my second entry, and the market decided to push all the way to the upside, and right now it came back for a retracement. Hopefully we're going to wake up. The market has pushed maybe above this zone, above this alert that I had put right there, but we don't know guys. Yeah, so this might be the final clip for this video. Yeah, I think this might be the final clip for this video, but I'll be updating you guys on the next video that's going to come. So yeah, I think right now I have like 3 trades open on the account. And yeah guys, I appreciate you for sticking up until this segment, or yeah, up until this time. If you're still watching, please, if you like the content, please like, follow, subscribe, and yeah, you can share this video to someone, it might be useful to them. Yeah, so yeah, that's it guys. And don't forget guys, I do trade Monday to Friday during New York session. I do trade live on TikTok. You can just click the link on my description, it will take you to my TikTok page. So I trade 2:30 South African time. The time will differ depending on what time zone or country you are in. So yeah, I appreciate you guys, and see you guys on the next clip. Peace, love and happiness. I'm out.